How to knit the knit stitch. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the basic knit stitch the fast and efficient continental way. Let's knit it together. Cast on as many stitches as you like and then wrap the working yarn around your pinky finger 2 times and bring it across the back of your hand and pick up the knitting needle like this. The yarn should be in the back. Now pick up the second knitting needle and insert it into the first stitch on your left needle from left to right. From left to right. Then wrap the yarn around the needle counterclockwise. Pull through and drop the stitch. You knit your first knit stitch. Let's do it one more time. Insert from left to right. Wrap around counterclockwise and pull through and drop the stitch. One more time. Insert from left to right. Wrap around counterclockwise, pull through and drop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. Of course, you can go much faster than this by simply picking the loop through like this. Or one more time in slow motion. And that's how to knit the knit stitch the continental way.